in UCCNC in order to recover a failed toolpath. We're going to use the run from here code. So if we scroll down to a random line, 294, hit run from here, cycle start. This will move it to the right place. And since we're doing plasma, we want the spindle or the torch off. And then once it's there, we press cycle start again, and it will continue the toolpath. We can also do this anywhere within the toolpath. So we can do a feed hold. You want to cycle stop, and let's say we want to go back to this line of code. Run from here, cycle start. It will move from there and go back and cycle start to resume. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.